the bounce. That nigga fresh to death like he got dressed in the coffin. The condoms overalls and the striped shirt. The boy drip swag like a broken faucet. It's running, nigga, I'm running. Shit that cherry be the ball like he ran in boss. I won't stop till the cops around him. One nigga jiggy and the other opposite with his fucking